Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 1 from ML Agarwal, which is integers. I will give you the solution of the whole book, so stay tuned. This is integers exercise 1.1. So let's start. Some integers are marked on the number line. As you can see, this is a number line and they have marked some integers over it. Write these integers in ascending order. So you know that when we move from left to right, the number increases. Fine. So if you are writing the numbers from left to right, they will be in the ascending order. Ascending order is from small to big. So it is minus 18, then you have minus 9, minus 4, then 0, then this 3, then 8 and 12. You can insert the commas between these all these numbers. Fine. Then write these integers in descending order. So reverse of this, descending is reverse of this. So this is 12, 8, 3, 0, minus 4, minus 9 and minus 18. So this is how you are going to write it in descending order. Few dots have been marked on the above number line. Write the appropriate integer at each dot. So you can see there are some dots, you will have to write the integer for them. So let's do. So this is one step behind this 18, so it will be minus 17, then 16, 15, 14. So this dot will be minus 14, then 13, 12, this is minus 11, then we have minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5 will be there, minus 4, minus 3, this is 0, then 0 के बाद आएगा 1, 3 के बाद आएगा 4, then 8 से पहले 7, 8, 9, this is 11. Fine. So this is how you are going to mark all the numbers over the number line. Fine. So please remember this thing, when you go from left to right, the number increases on the number line. It is for every case, whether it is integer or the whole number or the rational number, it's for all. Fine. Now next question, arrange these numbers in ascending order and mark them on the number line. Check your answer. So we'll have to arrange all these number in ascending order. So ascending order is small to big. So smallest number in this will be minus 5, then we have minus 4, then we have 0, then we have 4 and 7. Fine. So if you mark all these number on this number line, let's see where they will go. Minus 5. So this is minus 5. You can make the number line like this. Then you have minus 4. This is minus 4. 0. This is 0. This is 4. And here it is 7. Fine. So you can draw the number line like this only, and you can mark them from here. So 0 के बाद 1, 2, 3, minus 4 and minus 5. As you can see, we are moving. This is the number which is to the left, most left number. So it is minus 5. So this is the smallest one. Fine. This is your ascending order. Okay, let's take up the next question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. That means positive marks for correct and negative marks for incorrect. If Rohit scored in 5 successive rounds were 15, minus 3, minus 7, 12 and 8. These are the marks scored by Rohit in all the rounds. What was his total at the end? So the marks obtained by Rohit are 15, minus 3, minus 7, 12 and 18. So total marks will be 15 plus minus 3 plus minus 7 plus 12 plus 8. You have to add them all, so in order to get the total marks. So it will be 15 minus 3 minus 7 plus minus is minus plus 12 plus 8. Now you can add all the positive numbers. So this one and this is positive number. So if you add these three, you will get 35 minus 7 and 3 are 10. So total marks is 25. That is his total score. Fine. Now the see the next question. Ruchi deposited 4,370 rupees in her account on Monday, then withdrew rupees 2,875 on Tuesday. Next day she deposited 1,550. What was her balance on Thursday? Fine. So let's see. Money deposited by her is this. Money withdrawn by her is this. Fine. Now again she has deposited the money. So if I take money withdraw as negative, negative sign matlab money is withdrawn by her. So total money will be 4,370 minus 2,875 plus 1,550. So money deposited will be positive and money withdrawn will be negative. Fine. So let's see what will come in this question. So if you add these two, it will be 0, 12, 9 and 5 minus 2,875. So what will be your answer? You subtract these two. So it will be 10 minus 5 is 5, then 11 minus 7 is 4, 8 minus 8 is 0 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So this much money, you will have to put rupees in front before this. Fine. So this much of money is there in her account. Now the next question, evaluate the following. Now this shows the absolute value. These two vertical lines shows the absolute value, which means only the numerical value of the digits. So there is no value of the sign. So if it's like 13 minus 9. So absolute value of minus 13 is 13 and absolute value will be 9 only. So 13 minus 9 is 4. Here also 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8 minus 9. So it will be 8. Absolute value of 8 will be 8 and absolute value of 9. Negative को छोड़ देंगे हम. It will be minus 9, which is equal to minus 1. And here also 35 minus 21. 35 minus 21 is 14 minus 8 minus 3 is 5. Fine. So it is 14 minus 5, which is 9. So whenever you want to calculate the absolute value of any digit, you will have to leave the sign. Fine. Now arrange the following integers in ascending order. Ascending is small to big. So smallest number in this will be this one, which is far away from 0. So your answer will be minus 102. Then after this it will be 51. Then this is minus 51. Then you have minus 39. Then after this we have done 39, these three we have done. Then we have minus 6, minus 5, minus 6, minus 5. Fine. So minus 6 and minus 5 was also gone. Then we are left any other negative number? No. Then we have 0. Fine. 0 के बाद हमारे पास क्या आएगा? 0 के बाद हमारे पास क्या आएगा? It will be 7 and 35. You will arrange them like this in the ascending order. Now descending order is the big to small. So biggest will be 4,208. Then any other positive number? Yes, we have 139. Then we have 0. Now near to 0 will be minus 31. Then we have minus 97. And in the end we have minus 203. So this is how you are going to arrange it in the descending order. Fine. Now true or false, state the whether statements are true or false. 0 is the successor of minus 1. This is true. If you draw a number line, first minus 1 comes, then 0. So 0 is the successor of minus 1. 0 has no predecessor. It is false. 0 के predecessor होते हैं all the negative numbers. Minus 2 is the predecessor of minus 1. This is also true. 0 is greater than every negative number. This is also true. 0 सबसे बड़ा होता है in all the negative numbers. Fine. Okay, let's take up the question number 9 now. This is, we have to insert the sign of greater than, less than, equal to into this. So this is minus 11. Let's open up the brackets for both. It is minus 11 minus 7, and here it will be minus 11 minus minus is plus 7. Fine. So minus 11 minus 7 is minus 18, and it will be, both signs are different, so they will subtract. 11 minus 7 will be 4. It will be minus 4. So the number which is near to 0 is bigger. So minus 4 is bigger. So this sign will come in this case. Fine. So let's take up the another part of it, which is 23 minus 40 plus 11. So as these two are positive numbers, so we are going to add them up. So it will be 23 plus 11 will be 34 minus 41. 34 minus 41 will be 7, which is minus. Fine. Now here it is 23. These two are negative, so they will be added on. So it is 52. 23 minus 52, you will have to subtract them. It will be 9 and 2, 29 and negative. So which one is near to 0? This one. So it is bigger. Fine. Now the next one in this is 40 minus minus is plus. This is plus minus is minus. Fine. So 40 plus 39 is 79 minus 5. 79 minus 5 is, what is 79 minus 5? It is 74. Now let's see this. 40 plus minus is minus, 39 minus minus plus 5. So it is 45 minus 39. So 45 minus 39 is 6. So as you can clearly see, 74 is big. So this sign will come in this case. Now the last part of question number 9, it is minus 3 plus 13 minus 15. So both are negative, so it will be 13 minus 18, which is minus 5. Here 25 minus minus plus 2 minus 33. So it is 27 minus 33. So it will be minus 6. Fine. So minus 5 is bigger, so this sign will come.